exhausted. Oh my gosh, this is not good, baby. We don't look very presentable.
I could use a nap.
Look at this handsome fella.
Hey guys, I'm exhausted. About maybe 24 hours without sleep.
Tell them why.
Huh?
Tell them why. Tell them
I
about
had
your girlfriends on a plane.
Sweet baby Jesus. I had a mom and daughter sit next to me, and they kept asking. This is the first time they've ever flown on a plane, and they kept asking me what everything does and why the plane works, and
You're their savior. Oh, old Mexican ladies love Steve.
I even pretended like I was asleep, and they still grabbed my shirt and was like, "What are they saying?" Look at my eye.
Cool. We are both exhausted. We are 12 hours into our journey, and our plane got a little bit delayed. So we're in London right now. We are awaiting our connecting flight to Lisbon. And then from Lisbon, we're gonna have to rent a car and drive an hour and a half to Nazare. So we're like probably 12 hours into our trip, and we have another
A lot of hours left.
5 hours-ish.
Yeah, we're
left.
only 12 hours into it, but it only feels like 50. That's all. It's going by fast.
Peace.
Cabin crew, seats for landing.
I want out.
Dude, you're so tired.
I slept for 5 minutes. Victory.
I might need to drive.
They don't let women drive in Portugal.
No? Cool. We have 1, 2, 3.
It's way down there.
There should be one more. So all of our stuff is here. We made it. And now we just need to figure out how to put all this in our little rental car. I just want to say one thing. I got here, and as soon as I got off the plane, I just felt so at home. It's like almost weird and kind of hard to explain, but I don't know if it's just being back in Europe or it's, I don't know. I just felt so safe and so at home. So far so good, at least for me. I know Steve is super tired because he didn't sleep at all on the plane, so I got a couple of hours of sleep, so it helped a little bit, but we were both tired. You being watched. Because
I think we got it. We got one more. We got to put it in here.
That one, it fits in there. Wait. Here. Oh, you already...
I stuck that one in there. Yeah, let's stick this one here.
Sorry.
Oh, no.
oh my gosh.
Oh,
Because I can hold one on my lap. But
no,
yeah.
no, this fits perfectly here.
Oh my god, we did it, guys. We did it. It's okay. Yay!
It fits. Nice work. You've done this
It
so many times.
Thank you so much. You're awesome. Yay, we found food too.
Bomb.
Yeah, this is really good. Dude, we did it. Okay, so it's dark and cold and kind of, you can kind of still see.
Yay! It's just like the picture.
This is bedroom number 1. Where's the light? This is bedroom. There's a closet. And then there's a kitchen. Literally looks like, oh my god, look at this tiny fridge.
Look how small. You can barely put a 6-pack in here. Oh, look, there's a keyhole.
Oh.
Is there a neighborhood kitty here?
Oh. Hold on. This is bedroom number 2. Is there a closet in here? No, it's only one closet. Okay, cool. But there's bedroom number 2. This is our famous. Okay, where's the light? Here. Okay, check this out. Update from our first full day in Nazare. So we got our first hate mail this morning. I mean hate mail. It's not a hate mail, but apparently we took 2 parking spots. So that happened. Then we left the house, walked around for a little bit when we were trying to get back into the house to take a nap because we're basically like delirious and so tired. We realized that we couldn't get into the apartment because something was wrong with the lock. Well, what happened was we left the key on the inside lock, and that's why we couldn't open it from the outside because the key was blocking it. So, I gotta show you that. So we called the lady who rented us the house. She came with her sister, and then Steve climbed into the house. He climbed in through there. We just had our dinner at the amazing, it's not a vegan place, but it's an Indian place, and they have like a bunch of vegan options. So we had dinner, and now it's about 7 p.m. and we are ready for bed. It was a long day. We were super tired. We literally barely ate all day. Like that was our like first meal today. But we'll start fresh tomorrow, and it will be awesome. So far, I love Nazare. It reminds me of home a lot. I can't wait for, for what's gonna happen in the next 6 months or 4 months or 5 months. I don't know how long we're gonna end up being here, but it's super exciting. We'll see you next time.